name is David. I'm working in Coimbatore plant as a catering officer and taking care of canteen. So today I'm going to present my Kaizen through the CCQC presentation. So I'm presenting on behalf of Titan Watches Company Limited, Watches plant Coimbatore, for the year 2021-22. So these are my QCFI themes and Titan Company Limited profile. That is, we are the 5th largest watchmaking globally, and we are market caption up to 15 billion. So our major businesses like watches and accessories, jewelry division, eyewear division, precision engineering. So Titan topography is like this: Roorkee, Pantnagar, Sikkim, Hosur, Bangalore, and Coimbatore. We have branches, and we are sourcing offices at Hong Kong, and we have a corporate office in Bangalore, and we have manufacturing assembly facilities in India. Our vision is we create elevating experiences for the people we touch and significantly impact the world we work in. And also, our mission is we will do this through a pioneering spirit and a caring, value-driven culture that fosters innovation, drives performance, and ensures the highest global standards in everything we do. So these are the quality and environment, OSAs and FIRES policies what we follow in our company. So we have got certain certificates like QMS and EMS certificate, OSA certificate, and FIRE certificate by QCFI and JUSE. And this is a watch case plant Coimbatore. Watch case plant started in Coimbatore during year of 2014. Focus for a stainless steel material watch case manufacturing, domestic and export. 0.6 million current level, 1 million plant short term. Technical tie-up with the Japanese major, state-of-the-art plant, latest technology machines from Germany, Japan, Taiwan, China, etc. Tool design, tool manufacturing, brush shop, machine shop, polishing, assembly departments are all involved in this Titan manufacturing unit. So inside of your watch, we have sapphire glass, case center, back cover. These are the manufacturing parts what we do here. So customer watch link, expression, expectations, and what their extension. It goes like fashionable and trendy, elegant and ornament, neon Nike, as well as economy and bold. So this is a team name is team organizer. So theme is cost control. The project title is Chakiyata floor from the direct mill. So myself as a leader. So there is a Ashirvad and Chakiyata process. This is what is the process. So Ashirvad, we make a PR and then it goes to the Canal department stores, which is a provision department stores. There we get per kg is 42 rupees. And if you are going for the Chakiyata, it's from the direct from the mill, and we go through the PR process through the purchase department, and then it goes to the without agro foods, that is direct from the mill, and we are getting 28 rupees 0.60 paise per kg. The cost saving is between both the wheat flours are rupees 13.4 per kg, and then it is a part of canteen also. So we have adopted these quality circle for along the 12 steps. So in canteen, the chapati making preparation by in-house, which plays a vital role in canteen. Hence, the cost optimization was done for Ashirvad and Chakiyata. So through this identification of problems, we follow the plan to check and act process. So identification of problems, as the price of wheat flour is high from the regular vendor, so we had a survey and identified a vendor locally for the best and quality flour, which we can get direct from the mill. I'm the only person. It's date on 1st September 2020. Time is between 9 to 6 p.m. The cost of identification of problems, the cost of current department is Ashirvad flour is too high. So we have selection of problems. So we have categorized and ranking matrix. We have categorized all the problems in A and B categories. So price was high with the current vendor for wheat flour. To be dependent with the same or else identify a new vendor. We need a management approval. So we goes according to the priorities high, that is need immediate attention. So moderate is planned development activities, low is 1 to 3 scale, point of scale, potential for future development. So based on the bar chart, team selected highest ranking cost of quality, value is high, and the team decided to solve the problem on popularity, that is myself. So definition of the problem. So this is the in process flow for procuring the wheat flour. We go through PR and then country department stores, Ashirvad per kg 42 rupees, and then it comes to the canteen. The same like through PR, Chakiyata, but it's direct from the mill. and we are procuring for 28.6 rupees per kg, and then it comes to the canteen. The definition of the problem, the impacts of the problem is cost saving 64,000 per annum, Chakki Atta at the rate of rupees 28.60. Cost of previous flour, Ashirwad, what we are getting from the current department stores, it is 13 per kg higher than the new one. So moral is no satisfaction, and we have to change the vendor. So analysis of problem. So we follow the 4W and 1H analysis. So what was the problem? Present vendor is higher. Where was the problem? Current department stores. When was the problem noticed? From July 2020. Who noticed the problem? Catering officer. That is what me. How was the problem generated? Cost optimization done between two vendors with the quality. Analysis of problem. It's a goal is to recover 50, minimum 5%. That is 64k per annum. So identification of causes to draw C&E diagram. Root cause analysis was identified. And root cause analysis, list of problem causes. Cost of Ashirwad is high with the current department stores. Cost of Chakki Atta is low with the Uda Agro Foods. So followed by data analysis on root cause. So data analysis on root cause continued. Root cause 1 and 2, Ashirwad wheat flour value is high with existing vendors in current department stores. So root cause 3, so stop procuring the wheat flour from their existing vendor. So data analysis of root cause conclusion. Based on the data analysis, we have discussed with the relevant members, that is with the HOD and other purchase department, and concluded to initiate and to buy with the new vendor, that is from the Uda Agro Foods. Developing solution. It's on 1st September, that is between 2 to 3 p.m. Place Tondamuttur, where we identify the new vendor. Based on the upload, we have identified the new vendor from Tondamuttur, Uda Agro Foods, which is a mill provides Chakki Atta in terms of their own manufacturing unit, and then it has been initiated to the purchase for procurement. So trial implementation and check results. That's a before and after. What we are buying from the Ashirwad directly from the department stores. The trial details of all improvement. Trial period September 2020 to October 21. Wheat flour by Ashirwad 42 per kg. Wheat flour Chakki Atta by Uda Agro 20.6 per kg. Recovery from wheat flour per annum is 64.320. And it's a cost saving too. So regular implementation. So these are the benefits. Wheat flour by Ashirwad 42 per kg. Wheat flour Chakki Atta 28.6 per kg. Recovery as also same 64k per annum. So follow up and review. So process flow validated and approved by HOD. The vendor has quoted for the same price 28 rupees 60 paise for this year also 2021-22. So Chakki Atta available for 28.6 and this year also the same. So the key learning is the major one. So knowledge and cost saving, identifying and implementing WOW initiatives. This is a WOW initiative is a war on wastages. It's a process throughout the company, throughout the title, and knowledge on quality circle steps and importance of roles and responsibilities of each one of us. And this is my Kaizen sheet. In this way, I have explained completely about the cost optimization between the two vendors. So this is what I am presenting for the CCP members. Thank you.